For Mother's Day, I was given a lavender plant. It's time to repot this. Oh my gosh, it is stuck in the pot. It's gonna squeeze the pot a little bit to loosen it up. Oh man. Wow. I'm just going to break it apart a little bit. It is okay and safe to cut roots off of the bottom of lavender plants when repotting. It improves the plant's overall health. So water thoroughly after repotting to help the roots settle. Water every other day for the first week after repotting so it can adjust. Let the soil dry out between waterings. And remember, lavenders need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. It's been 4 days. I watered it yesterday. It's doing great.